This is my use case presentation. On the use case document, I just did one about the use case diagram. But now this is specifically about each use case, which here's a diagram with the examples. If we remember, this is each individual use case when used in the diagram format. So when we're just writing up a use case document, here's a good example I found online where you will define each element of your use case that you want to write about and to more clearly define. So when we display it, it just comes out as this one word or one little blurb: ships item, creates an auction. But in the actual use case description, you can have multiple things describing it more in depth, application, how it's applied. So an example that this site has right here is you'll have your use case number, use case name, buyer place a bid, and then a description. So we see that if we had this in this use case, they're doing something about purchasing on eBay, and all it would say in the use case bubble on the diagram is buyer places a bid. But when we read the actual use case document, we see so much more about it, that it's an eBay buyer has identified an item they wish to buy, blah, blah, blah. So that is the use case document. It is based around describing each and every use case that is involved. And then a use case diagram is supplemental to the document to better explain what it is.